What's up guys, Kalan here and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. From today's episode, I will teach you how to design an animated logo by using Canva. As you guys see, these are some of the logos that are designed by using Canva. You can design custom logos as well as you can use existing Canva templates and you can modify them as you like. Basically, there are plenty of effects, components, textures, fonts, and even transitions available, and those features are very easy to use. So let's get started. First thing you should do is go to canva.com and sign in with your details. If you don't have an account, just sign up for a new account and it's completely free. So once you are in the dashboard, click on create a design and on the drop down type logo and select the first option from the list, which is logo. Then you will be redirected to the designer. So you guys see here there are some of the Canva logo templates. If you want to check for animated logo templates, just type animated logo in the search box and press enter. These are some of the animated logo templates that you can customize. Note that there are some pro version templates as well. So if you want to use some of the templates, you will have to sign up for the pro version. But for today's lesson, I will use an empty canvas. So then we can design a new logo from the scratch. First, I will make the canvas background to black color. You can set whatever the color you want, but for my design, I will use black. Let's search and add some elements to our canvas now. If you want to change size of any element, you can simply select the element and drag from the corners. It's very simple. For our new logo, we need some text now. So I will add some text from the text section. From this top toolbar, you can change the font type, size, color, and there are many more tools available to make your design unique. Okay, so we are almost done with our new logo. Now we need to export it. You can simply click on share in the top right corner. By default, it will select the MP4, but if you want to change, you can change it to GIF as well. But for now, I will continue with MP4. Click on download, then your component will be downloaded to your computer. Okay, so here is the animated logo we just created. Very simple and pretty. So if you have any doubts, just put a comment on the comment section, then I will help you. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.